Hi, I'm Melissa Benade, and this is our tour of our Jayco Seismic 4212 2015. Goodbye! We love our Jayco Seismic, and one of the best things we loved about it were the patios. So we're going to start outside. I'll walk the exterior with you, and then we'll go inside. So the first thing we have here, again, is the exterior back patio. It does drop down to a ramp so that you can load up any four-wheelers and such, because it is a toy hauler type of trailer. The doors also open up wide, which is nice, and they also stay closed a little bit more if you want to have more of a sliding door effect. We have great windows. We're near Seattle, Washington. It rains here quite a bit. The water doesn't go inside. All right, beautiful paint job. Also, this is our big slide that you'll see when we get inside. It's about a 15-foot slide. Lots of storage on the outside, little compartments here and there. Another big feature we loved about this was the basement. Even though you can't see all the way through, we love it because it's one solid big piece that goes straight through. So it's not winding and turning. Really big, really open to fit some bigger stuff that we have. This slide here is for our king bed master suite inside. So we'll show you that. Underneath here is our nice generator, big with some storage compartments on either side. Here's the other side of the basement where what I was speaking about. Oh, it's locked. And one of the other features that we loved about the Jayco Seismic is it has a side patio too. Wow, we get so many people coming by just to see this feature. It's very cool, and we have not had one problem opening this slide patio up and fitting in one of the lots at a RV park. All right, come on inside. Inside our Jayco 4212 Seismic, we like the idea of a very entertaining floor plan. Just a little bit more openness. Again, one of the key features, this slide patio really allows a lot of light to come through, which we're really big about light. And the nice thing is too, excuse all the pine needles, but the nice thing is too, again, we don't have to get dirty. So we can come outside and sit and chat and not have to be on the dirt in the ground. We also have a really nice TV out here. We haven't used it yet. And access to the fridge to the kitchen underneath here for more extra storage. All right, come back in through. We'll go ahead and go up to the master. So a couple steps up to the master. Love this idea as well because it's a Jack and Jill type bathroom. So come on through. I'll meet you on the other side. This shower is huge. Not only is it a shower, but it also is a tub feature. And I have two little kids, my husband and I, so they still like to take baths from time to time. But beautifully decorated skylights up here, adding for extra light, just enough space. Great storage compartments here. They go all the way through. All right, so this is our king size master suite. I have to have a king size bed. I hate to admit it, but I do. So we ended up bringing in our mattress as well. But it's beautifully decorated. The furnishings, the fixtures, the decor that's built in. We absolutely love it. Ours is a 2015, so it already had a lot of the upgrades done to it, like the mirror glass door. You can take a look inside at some of the storage we've done. This is at Walmart. This is the best one I could find. With the cubes, and then it actually had a rod below, so we could still have hanging and cubes up top. But this closet also does have a built-in shelf over there for any other clothing, shoes that you need. one of the things I love as well is we've installed a washer and dryer. And let me tell you, moms, you guys know this. Normally at home, in a normal house, you have to physically take the wet clothes out and put it in the dryer. Here, I can turn it on and I come back 2-3 hours later and I have clean laundry. So, unbroken laundry washing. We also do have our own AC unit in here. And we have our own heat as well, but we have the thermostat right here. All right, this is a really great feature. I love it. We have our second TV. Let's see if I can get stuff out of the way here. Which is so nice and out of the way, but it does pop up. And my husband and I can have our own movie nights. All right, so let's go ahead and go down into the family room. All right, so come on this way. This is our control panel area. We have another AC thermostat here that controls the main room. In here, hi Cole. Again, we live in our RV full time, so there are some features that we really, really needed and love to have. One of them being a fireplace. It's an electric fireplace, so when we're at RV parks and such, we are warm as can be. We have a nice sound bar and TV that Jason has installed. The TV that came with it, it was a pretty good size, but we had a bigger one at home that we didn't want to give up. Control panel up here, really nice. And then we did some great storage things. I measured to get cubes and different filing cabinets set up there for the office. So that's where we put all of our little electronics. Another great feature we loved is the sofa. We can have movie night, pull the TV out, angle it nicely, and all of these sofas recline. Can you say hi, kids?
Hi.
Hi, kids. Yep. So come on through here. This is the kitchen. Again, great. The sofas can be fully reclined, and we don't even have to worry about walking through. We still have a nice passage. The tables do come out nicely. The kitchen's great. We have a convection oven, not just a microwave, and a big, deep sink. Beautiful stainless steel, fixtures and appliances, and some nice backsplash. So it's just very homey. We also have a residential fridge. Yeah, my husband will say love it, hate it. We feel the same way. We have solar. It does need to take some power, but at the same time, when we're plugged into RV parks, it's not a problem. So we'll talk about that in another video. Up here, this is where the kids stay, but first we have a pantry, so we wanted an actual door. Are you going to get a tour? We wanted an actual door pantry instead of cupboards. That was just a personal preference. And then up here, the kids climb up. You want to show them? This is Blair. And Blair and Christian both sleep up there. I was able to get some cubes for storage, and so they have their clothes.
We also made some stuff.
Yeah, you have some toys and tools, huh?
We also made things.
Yeah, we go to Home Depot, huh?
Yeah,
Yep, on Home Depot Saturdays. Okay, so finally coming through, we have a really nice door here, allowing extra light.
We can open and close.
We can open and close. All right, so this is the back part of the trailer, our final part. This is the toy hauler portion. What makes it a little bit different is that it is not as insulated as the rest, but it does stay pretty warm when the back is up. But going around here, we love that we have another TV, so if the kids want to play back here, or if we have guests, they have their own room. They also have their own bathroom. Full shower, toilet. Only biggest difference is that we do have the diamond plating for a floor instead of carpet and linoleum. Nice cupboard space here. Have to have your Dyson. Sink. This is also where our dog stays, but it's great for entertaining. The bed can fold, or the seats can fold down into a bed. The queen size bed can drop down. We do a lot of homeschool back here, so it's just another room to have for the kids to go where we can be separate. And then if you turn around, that is the beautiful view of the back door, the back patio. So thanks for joining us. Did you hear right when I said? So we hope you liked our trailer. We hope to see you on the road. Stay tuned for more videos.